coupon is given by the driver, bus driver. And in return, I pass this coupon to the gentleman at the hotel. And he's giving me this coupon for the ski mobile and other activities at the Lake Shikaribetsu. 6 pieces. Each person 6 pieces. We'll find out later.
The government give you the person who taking the bus special coupon. One person for 3,000 yen.
Oh, okay. This is a discount?
No, this is the money.
Money? Oh.
3,000 yen.
3,000 yen?
Yes.
Oh.
So, but you can use this coupon only this area.
Okay.
If you take the bus, they go out here, so you don't use only this area.
Okay, including the food?
The second floor.
Second floor.
The cafe.
Cafe. Can use this.
Yes.
And the mobile, ski mobile?
Yes.
Yes.
And entrance fee.
Oh yeah, entrance fee. Entrance fee.
And drink for iceberg.
Oh yeah.
Person for 3,000 yen.
Okay, thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. It's the place to give the coupon. Okay, arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, the pass. This is the pass? Okay. Thank you. QR コードを読み取っていただけますか? Wow, this is really ice, ice cubes. Ski. Oh, they got steps, I can't see. Perform here tonight. Okay, this is the crew that help us to ride the ski mobile and the banana boat. Very nice of them. This one I'll put up YouTube, no? YouTube channel.
Oh,
YouTube channel. Later I give you.
チャンネル登録お願いします。
Okay. Yay! Okay, take one more picture.